If you are a zero maintenance hair girl, this hairstyle is for you. It's super lightweight, it can easily be mistaken for your natural hair, and it is just so beautiful. This hairstyle can last for as long as 8 weeks and still look incredibly good. You can try out this style on your natural hair or use added extensions. Afro Kinky natural extension is mostly used, but there are other extensions, including premium human hair extensions that can be used to achieve this look. Now, just because the style looks completely natural doesn't mean you should wear it boring. There are so many different ways to style your micro twists to elegantly elevate your look to suit any outing or special occasion. In this video, you are going to see a wide variety of micro twists and micro locks to inspire you. We have featured them in different colors, lengths, and styling patterns, giving you so many beautiful options to choose from. But like I always advise, not all hairstyles are meant for every hair. If the health of your hair or your edges is not in perfect condition, please avoid this hairstyle. Micro twist requires a lot of tiny sections, and if your hair is already weak, thinning, or breaking, the tension from installing and taking them down can cause serious damage. Always put your hair health first. If your hair is strong and ready, then this is a beautiful protective style to try. Because micro twists expose a lot of your scalp and can easily collect dust, keeping them clean and moisturized is key to making them last for long. To prevent buildup, use a diluted sulfate-free shampoo to gently wash your scalp without roughing up the twist. When sleeping, always protect your hair with a satin bonnet or pillowcase. This prevents the cotton from sucking out your hair's natural moisture and keeps frizz at bay. To keep your natural hair and scalp hydrated while wearing your micro twist, make sure to check out the Nma Luxe store linked in the description below. We have the best lightweight growth oils and scalp mist spray to keep your hair thriving, or better still, check out the recommended products tagged to this video. If you love this hairstyle, hit the like button, comment on your favorite look, and subscribe to the Nma Luxe family. Stay beautiful, and I will see you in the next video. If you love this hairstyle, hit the like button, comment on your favorite look, and subscribe to the Nma Luxe family. Stay beautiful, and I'll